Okay guys, we're looking at another example of a surface area of a pyramid. Now this one's going to be slightly different because we need to use some prior knowledge of Pythagoras' theorem. Now Pythagoras' theorem states that the long side squared will equal the two other short sides squared added together. Therefore, if we wanted to find a specific side, we can use this theorem to help us. Now, to find the surface area of this pyramid here, we recognise that we've got a square base. So similar to the other example that we've done here, they've given us here the height of our pyramid as being 12.5. Now, in order to find the area of each of these triangles, we actually need to know what we call our perpendicular height. So if we drew a line down here, directly down the middle, we're going to create a perpendicular line to the base. Alright, we need to know the length of that line. Now, that line there, if we draw another line directly out from here, is going to create our right angled triangle that we're going to use to find our long side. So to find this side here, we need to use our 12.5, and we need to know our distance across from here. So our distance across from the centre of our square to the outside is simply going to be a half of 8.3, which gives us 4.15. So that's going to be 4.15. Our height is 12.5, and now what we need to do is work out that long side there. So to work out that long side, we take 4.15, we square it, we add 12.5 squared. That there will give us a total of 12.5 squared, 173.4725 on our calculator. Once we have that, we need to square root that answer to determine the length of our perpendicular height here, which becomes 13.2 centimeters. Now that's rounded to 1 decimal place. Okay, now that we have 13.2, we can use 13.2 and 8.3 for our perpendicular height and base for our triangle. We then use that to calculate the area of that triangle. We know that it's 4 triangles are the same, and then we add on to that the 8.3 squared, or 8.3 times 8.3. Okay? Hope this helps in regards to some of the questions in your books. But remember, it's Pythagoras' theorem. It states that the long side squared is equal to b squared plus c squared. So this is the two other short sides. Therefore, we know to find our side as a, we would have to square root that and then square root everything over here. So that's where we get our formula looking something like that. Alright, have a go and see how you go with the questions in the book in regards to finding the surface area of a pyramid where they haven't given you that perpendicular height. So you have to actually find that using Pythagoras' theorem. Good luck.